Hohem iSteady M7 is a powerful and versatile free-access gimbal designed for filmmakers and content creators seeking professional-level stabilization. Weighing in a very manageable weight, the M7 boasts impressive payload capacity, enabling it to effortlessly handle phones. The M7 delivers incredibly smooth and stable footage even during dynamic movements like running, panning, and tilting. Its intuitive joystick control and user-friendly interface make it easy to operate, while features like active track and object tracking ensures effortless subject following. Furthermore, the M7 incorporates a robust build with weather-resistant materials, ensuring durability in various shooting conditions. As a leading innovator in gimbal technology, Hohem has consistently pushed the boundaries of stabilization, and the iSteady M7 exemplifies this commitment with its exceptional performance, versatility, and user-centric design. It is a free-access gimbal. There is a bit of stabilization that needs to be done. You need to unlock the levers and do the initial balancing like you normally do with camera gimbals. But once you've done that, it achieves an incredible amount of stabilization while you're running, while you're doing whatever you want to. It's just absolutely brilliant the way it gives you stable footage while you're doing whatever activity comes by. It's so incredible the kind of updates and things that have come about with this specific gimbal, especially as an upgrade to the M6. We do find in our testing the remote controller has been phenomenal, and the AI tracker, especially with the light, does support gesture controls, and the remote really seamlessly integrates with whatever weather conditions you have, whatever natural conditions, lighting conditions you may have. You can use it when you're further away from the object, or if you're presenting yourself. It's really good. It's got rich features and quite rich when it comes to usage.